forbidden to drink water after, say, the bedtime shamol?
Like when it's Ben Hashemashos. So it's I think that the question, if I understand the question correctly, it's after the Shabbos is over. So it's not over. It's not over. Well, when did we say it? I don't remember in which class we just recently said. So the Shabbos is over. Maybe even today we said like after the nightfall, the Shabbos is over. So this and this questionable time is Ben Hashemashos. So when after the sunset and until the nightfall, it's questionable time. Maybe it's day, maybe it's night. Some things we do, some things we don't do because it's questionable. Okay. So if it's for the purpose of the mitzvah, yeah, you can do it until the nightfall. So example would be if you need to eat the third meal of Shabbos, right? So you can do like later on, like even 40 minutes. Again, depends on in the region where you live. But I live, so I can even go like 40, 15, 17, 2 minutes, almost up to 72 minutes. After the sunset, I can start the meal because it's for the mitzvah. But some things are not for the mitzvah. And it says that some people kept Shabbos, and they were not such a perfect personality in other areas. So these people go to Gehinom, right? But what is the difference between them and other Jews? So they would let out on Shabbos. So since they were enjoying time on Shabbos in this world, right? So I mean, they're not enjoying. They were keeping Shabbos in this world. So measure for measure, they would be allowed to keep Shabbos in a Gehinom, in a hell, right? Measure for measure, right? And after the Ben Hashemashos, and after the sunset, they would be led back to their places in a Gehinom, right? Because I mean, you enjoy, but you have to pay your duties, whatever. And they would give them water to drink, because Gehinom is very hot, as we learned from a movie. Gehinom is very hot. So and when person here, like in this world, so he would drink the water, it would be taken from, I think, parents for sure, maybe somebody similar, I'm not sure, like who else, it would be taken from their water. So it's the water that the fire is not going to affect them so fast. Like maybe they were going to not to be affected for a split second, 2 seconds, I don't know, whatever this water. So they treasure this water very much. So with us drinking the water after the sunset, it's taken from their water. And these dead people, they can take revenge on the living. So basically, is it halachah? It's not halachah, but we try not to take whatever from the deceased. That's the explanation.